This video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site News-kitoko.cc. This is a malicious site that now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It displays fake human verification alerts that try to encourage people into subscribing to the multiple ads that will be displayed in the form of push notifications. It is obviously a mistake to click on Allow. If you have done that, your browser will be hijacked with a lot of ads that will keep popping up in the right part of your screen. So if you have clicked on Allow, it was a mistake, but the good thing is that it can be easily fixed. Access the menu, Settings, select Privacy and Security, go down to Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. When you find this News-kitoko.cc, be sure to remove it from the list and remove other junk sites from the list. Finally, I recommend that you investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.